Hey friends! Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, we're diving into the Choose Your Gift Rainbow, Gold, or Black Edition. I have lined up 15 exciting options, and you've got just 10 seconds for each choice. Ready to test your luck? Now, hit that subscribe button and let's roll. Pick your gift, rainbow, gold, or black. What gift will you choose today? How about one of these gifts? Take your pick. Time's ticking. Can you pick one now? Which gift box is calling your name? Choose your challenge. If you pick rainbow, hit like to spread joy. If you go for gold, tap subscribe for golden vibes. Choose black. Share this video to spread the excitement. Pick your ice cream flavor. Which one tempts you most? Stick with your first choice. Which gift feels right for you? Follow your gut. Rainbow, gold, or black. What's your favorite color out of these? Spotted a favorite gift? You're making an amazing choice now. So, which box will you choose to win this round? Bonus challenge. Rainbow box, drop your favorite movie in the comments. Gold box, tell us your go-to game. Black box, share your top song right now. Thanks for playing today. Which gift caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling quizzes. Pick your next quiz and keep the fun rolling. See you soon!